Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. We have this beautiful short natural haircut that is age appropriate. This hairstyle is a cut that will really match your mood and is a great haircut that can do wonders at any age. So if you're an older woman, this haircut really boils down to really finding the style that works with your hair density, texture, and your lifestyle choices. One thing about those styles is that they soften the face and they always add that lot of natural movement that keeps your cut from being too stiff. Some women complain maybe sometimes the cuts are heavy or one-dimensional, but those styles will really make you feel light and refreshing. So these haircuts are easy to personalize depending on just whether you prefer something low maintenance or even daily styling. So today, this hairstyle are updated haircuts that really is a modern cut that will take many years off your age and keep things youthful. So don't forget to always have a regular trims, and sometimes for those that prefer the color highlight, you can have a color refresh, whether you want the silver or the blonde, because sometimes using those beautiful colors can really make all the difference, even for our beautiful older women between 60 and above. So if it's the first time here in Wendy Styles, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.